Hi, welcome to Cook with Sophia. Today I'm going to channel all my Chinese energy into this exciting and delicious spicy crispy tofu salad. This salad is powerful and flavorful. The sauce actually goes really well with a lot of other foods as well, such as beef briskets, plain noodles, chicken, even just to dip your veggies. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit first because we are going to bake the tofu instead of deep frying them. I'm cutting a block of medium firm tofu here. You can also use firm tofu, and then we're going to season them with a teaspoon of salt. The salt will draw out the moisture from the tofu and make it extra crispy. While the tofu is taking all the salt, let's also cut some other veggies to bake in the oven with the tofu because we don't want to waste the oven power. I am cutting up some squash and sweet potato to bite-sized pieces, and I will season them with a little bit salt and pepper and some oil. Now all the veggie will go on a baking tray on a single layer. Don't overcrowd them so they can cook evenly. Now the tofu has been marinated for about 10 minutes. Let's pat them dry and toss it with some oil as well and lay it on a baking tray. All of these veggie and tofu will go in the oven and cook about 18 to 25 minutes. You're going to want to check from time to time because your oven and your veggie size are going to be different from mine. You're looking for that crispiness on the tofu and then soft on the squash and sweet potato. While we wait, let's make the sauce. This sauce is amazing. It has all the foundation of a good salad dressing. We're going to use regular soy sauce for a savory base, Chinese vinegar for the acidity, and chili powder and chili oil for that kick. Last but not least, we're going to use garlic and green onion for the aroma. You're going to want it to pour smoking hot oil on top to release all the aroma and flavor from the garlic and the green onion. Oh my goodness, this already smells amazing. Let's talk about chili oil. I'm using Lao Gamma chili oil right now. It is one of the best chili oil on the market. You can also make your own chili oil, but it is a lot of work. I also want to quickly mention the Chinese black vinegar. So Chinese black vinegar is actually fermented from rice, but it has a very special aroma that's different from anything else. However, if you can't find it, you can also use rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and even just lemon juice. It will not taste the same, but it will still be delicious. I got some salad greens here from my local farmers market. You can use any salad green you prefer. Just choose something with structure and substance, not like iceberg lettuce, for example. Since I didn't add any sweetness to my dressing, I am going to cut up some apples to add it to my salad. You can also use other fruits like pear, peach, mango, whatever is in season and available in your local market. So now the veggies and tofu are done. We're going to take them out and toss the sauce with everything. You may want to go easy on the sauce because it is very powerful and savory. Mix everything together. You can eat this salad by itself, or you can mix in some plain noodles or have it with a side of hot rice. I hope you like the salad. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.